Hi, this is Keith and welcome back. Today we're going to continue on with our one-page tutorial using the Builderall platform and the Cheetah Builder to build this web page. We're pretty much done. We got two panels left, which is the Contact Us panel and this bottom panel down here. So we're going to start off starting to build out this Contact Us panel. So let's first see what the background color is of this panel and the size of it, the height basically. Size is 910 and the background color is this hex code. Let's go over here. Let's add a panel. Just a second. And the background settings. Hex code is 181, A as in apple, 1, B as in boy. Let me go back here. Nine, 10. Okay. We're going to do the same thing here. We're going to copy this, clone this, and just change the text. And let's see, let's scroll down here. So it's just basically Contact Us. Okay, let's go back over here. Let's go over here. The size of this box, 440 by 131. Center it. Let's do a quick save. Now let's add the contact form element. Let's just grab this first one here, and then we're gonna just adjust it. Let's go over here. Let's see what the size is. Show placeholder. I'll show you what these mean in a second. Let's see what the size. Button width 100. Button height, let's go back here. Button height is 57. Button height refers to this button right here. And the button margin is set to 23. And if you didn't notice yet, but the button margin is 23, so it's 23 the space in between the button, top of the button to the bottom of the last field. So that's what that is. General setting, let's go back here to show placeholder. What that does, if you weren't looking over here when I clicked on it, basically placeholder is so when you visit a site and there is a contact form, you want to visually let the user know, okay, what should I be inputting into this field? So that's what the placeholder is. It's going to display, in this case, first name, so they know they need to enter in their first name there. So that's what that is. Let's go back over here. Field style, let's go down here. It's size 17. Let's get the color. And this is the font family. 17. Scroll down here. It's that. It's a font family. Okay, let's see what these other adjustments are. The height, the field height is 45, border size is 1. So the field height, basically it's the height of each field. Border is set to 1. Border color, let's do this. The hex code is C, B as in boy, C as in cat, B as in boy, C, B as in boy. Let's go back over here. Let's go on to the next. Border shape is a solid border. Which is what we got. The radius is around the field, so it's all set to 5. You can see it's rounded on the corners. Okay. background color of the field, which is this. It should be all set to white. Input label color. So when we start typing, it means that it's going to be the color black. The placeholder color is what we see here. So this is probably all black, yeah. And then this color is, let's see. So background color, white. Input color, so when we type it in, it's black. Placeholder color, it's probably, yeah, it's the same, which is 5C as in cat, 5C, 5C. Okay, that takes care of this property here. General colors, let's go over here. See what we got here. General colors. So the background color is this. Let's see, general colors. Oop, I didn't copy it. So the background color is referring to the background color of the button. Hover background color, let's see. It's a slightly different color. Okay, that color, background color is 8, E as in Edward, 5, 3, F as in Frank, 0 or an O. This one is going to be, when we hover over it, it's going to be 5, F as in Frank, 2, D as in David, B as in boy, O. The color text color, let's see, color text hover color. Let's see what we got here. It looks like it's just all white. Yeah. So that should be fine. Now let's see. What's the next one? Border. See if there's anything here. Doesn't look like it. So round border. Round border is 5. So the round border property on this contact form element is going to be referring to the border of rounding the border of the button itself. So it's set at 5. Okay. Headline is going to be what appears on the button itself. So I'm just going to copy this. It's going to be 20. The color is going to be white. Okay, that's set. Okay. There is no subheadline. Subheadline would be in case I want something to appear right below this main headline here on the button. And let's go back over here. So we're going to continue this on in the next video, so I'll see you there.